Hello, today we are going to start exercise 3.2, which is based on a median. Question number 1. The scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follow: 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, and last 20. In this question, we have to calculate mode and the median. Afterwards, we have to say are they same or not. So for this, what you need to do? First, you write the score. What are the scores in mathematics test? Okay, these are the score of the students in mathematics test. First, we need to arrange this data in either in ascending or descending. So arrange these scores in an ascending order. So after arranging it, here we get 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20, 23, 24, 25 and 25. You can count how many are they. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here we have total 15. Here also we have 15. So after arranging it into ascending or descending order, you must check while counting it if the total numbers are same as in the question or not. If you have missed anything, you check it out and write it there. Now after that, what we need to do? First we need to calculate mode. So we know that what is mode. I already told you the definition of mode. Who comes most number of time. Mode of a given data is that value of observation which occurs for the most number of times, and the median of a given data is the middle observation when the data is arranged in an ascending or descending order. So as there are 15 terms in the given data, therefore the median of this data will be the 8th observation. How you can say that? 8th observation, it means 7 and 7. 7 from this side and 7 from this side. 7 from the left side and 7 from the right side. So it will become 8. So first we'll see which terms come most number of times. So here we can see that 5 comes one time, 9 comes one time, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19. All these number comes one time. Whereas if we talk about 20, it comes 4 time, 23 comes one time, 24 comes one time, and 25 2 times. So here we can see that 20 number is come most number of the times. So here we can say that mode is 20. Whereas if we talk about the median of the number, so which is the 8th observation, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th observation is 20. So the median is also 20. So maybe you have a doubt in your mind, how will get this number 8th observation. So see beta, if we how we have to do. First you see how many numbers are there. Here we have how many numbers? 15 numbers. So write here 15. Then add 1 in this. What do you get? The answer what will you get? Divide with 2. So here we get here 16, which we are going to divide it by 2. So afterwards we get the answer 8. Okay, like this we are getting the number 8. Is that okay? So from the total we will add 1, then divide by 2. So this is the method for finding median when we have odd number of terms or odd number of observation. Let's check how you have to write. Hence median is equals to 20. Also it can be observed that 20 occurs 4 times, that is maximum number of times. Therefore mode of this data is equals to 20. So after that the question is, are they same? So we can say that they both are same. Why? Median is 20 and mode is also 20. So yes, both are same. In this case both are same. Now I'm moving to the next question. Question number 2. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows: 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10 and 15. Find the mean, median and mode of this data. Are the three same? In this condition we have given 11 players in which we need to calculate mean, mode and median. So mode and median I already told you how to calculate in the previous question, and mean you have done in previous exercise. So maybe you can solve this question. Try to solve. Now the next part is, are the three same? After calculating mean, median, mode, we have to find, or we have to observe, are the value of mean, mode and median are same or not. If they are same, write yes, otherwise no. Let's begin. The runs scored by 11 players are 6, 15, 120, 50, 180, 10, 15, 8 and 10 and 15. Then we will arrange this into ascending order. So when we arrange, it will becomes like this: 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15, 50, 80, 100 and 120. So first we need to find mean. So we know that what is the formula of mean. In mean we are adding all the observation and we will divide with number of observation. So what we will do, we will add all these numbers: 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15 and we will divide it with this number 11. Okay, so here we get the answer 429 upon 11. After adding this, then we will divide it with 11. So far we will get here 39. Okay, now it's time for calculating mode. Here we can see that which number comes most of the time. 6, 8, 50, 80, 120 is comes only one time. Whereas if we talk about 10 is coming 2 times and 15 is here 3 times. So we can easily find that the mode of this data is 15, 1, 5, 15. Now if we talk about median, so I already told you how to find median. How many numbers are there total? Total numbers are 11. 11 plus 1 is equals to 12 upon 2. 6th term will be the median. So count 6 term: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th term is 15. So the median is 15. So mode of a given data is that value of observation which occurs for the most number of times, and the median of the given data is the middle observation when the data is arranged in an ascending or descending order. So as there are 11 terms in the given data, therefore the median of this data will be the 6th observation. So which is the 6th observation? I already told you the 6th observation is 15. So the median is equals to 15. Whereas if we talk about the mode, so mode is the number which comes most number of time. So 15 occurs 3 times. So the answer is 15. Now you have to tell me, are the three same? If all three answers same, write it at comment box yes, otherwise no. Next, question number 3. The weights in kg of 15 students of a class are 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38 and 47. In this we have to find the mode and median of this data. Then second we have to tell is there more than one mode. In this condition we have more than one mode. Okay, let us see how we have to do. First, as like others, here we will write our data in ascending or descending order. So the weight of the 15 students are 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 47. Then we will arrange it in ascending order. So the order will be like this: 32, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 38, 40, 42, 43, 43, 43, 45, 47 and 50. Then we already know the definition. I already told you in the previous one. Mode of a given data is that value of observation which occurs for the most number of times, and the median of the given data is the middle observation when the data is arranged in ascending order or descending order. So here we can see what is the mode of this data. So the number which comes most of the time, let us observe. 32 come once time, 35 is one time, 36 also one time, 37 here is also one time, 38 comes here three times, 40 and 42 comes once time, 43 comes three times, 38 and 43 both is here three times. Whereas if we talk about 45, 47, 50, they are coming only one time. So the mode of this observation is 38 and 43. Okay, now if we talk about the median, so median is which number? 15 are here, 15 is here. So what we will do, 15 plus 1 upon 2, as like the question number 1. 15 plus 1 equals to 16, divided by 2 we will get here 8. So 8th observation is our median. So count 8 in ascending order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the median is 40. Here the median is 40. As there are 15 terms in the given data, therefore the median of this data will be 8th observation. Hence the median is 40. Also it can be observed that 38 and 43 both occur 3 times. So maximum numbers of times. Therefore mode of this data is 38 and 43. So now you tell me the answer. Is there more than one mode? Yes or no? Write your answer at comment box. Now question number 4. Find the mode and median of the data 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13 and 14. This question is like the previous one. Nothing changes there. So maybe you can solve it by yourself. So what you need to do, first you write the data and arrange it into ascending order. So the ascending order will be like this: 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 16, 19. So mode of a given data is that value. You already know the definition. Observation which occurs for the most number of times, and the median of the given data is the middle observation when the data is arranged in an ascending or descending order. So as there are ninth term is the given data, therefore the median of this data will be the 5th observation. How you get the answer 5? Ninth terms are there total. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total numbers is 9. The total numbers are 9. So 9 plus 1 equals to 10, and divided by 2 you will get here 5. So 5th observation is our median. So check it. Which one is 5th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14 is the 5th observation. So the median is equals to 14. Also it can be observed that 14 occurs 3 times, so that is the maximum number of time, so the mode is 14. Okay, now the last, here we need to state that either the following statements is true or false. So the mode is always one of the numbers in a data. The mode is always one of the numbers in a data. Yes or no? Yes, because we are finding mode from the data. Mode of a given data is that value of observation which occurs for the most number of times. Therefore, it is one of the observation given in the data. Now, second part, the mean is one of the number in a data. No, it's not true. Why? Mean may or may not be one of the numbers in the data. Why? Suppose if we add it and we will get the answer in decimal. So definitely decimal numbers we are not including the such conditions. So maybe it will be false. Third, the median is always one of the numbers in a data. Yes, it is always in a data, but in some condition it is not. The median of the given data is the middle observation when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order. The data 643,819 has mean answer? No. So the answer is false. Why? If we calculate mean, so here we will get the answer 8. That's why our answer is false. Here we have answer 9, but after calculating mean we are getting 8. So this is false. So that's all for the today. Hope you will complete your copy in time and you will prepare for the exam. In next class I will do the next exercise which is based on the graph, and afterward I will start probability chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.